Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
So here we have a Mercedes C63 S Coupe convertible with us, and I just want to show you some functions of this car that I think it's going to be useful for you guys to know. So here we have the key, and it has 4 different buttons. Here is to unlock, here is to lock, here is to open up the trunk, you press and hold, and here we have emergency lights, but I don't want to press it because the car is going to scream. So here we have keyless entry, so you basically can just hold the key in your hand and the car is going to open by itself. So here I want to show you guys some of the functions of temperature controls, all your media, and some of the car controls where you can control your engine volume. Here we also have media controls, and over here is as well, everything is for the media. So for you guys to start the car on, just simply press on the brake and press on this button over here. There we go. So here we have all the media controls of where you control your screen, push back button. As well with this, you control your screen, and it also has the touch sensor. Here, let's say if you want to turn off your automatic turn off, turn on, let's say whenever you're at the traffic light and you want to save gas, the car is going to automatically shut off and then it's going to turn on by itself. If that is not comfortable for you, you can always turn it off. And then let's say if you don't want to put the car in sport mode, but you want to still have the sound from sport control, you can always press this button and it's just going to give you that sound of sport mode, as well as you can turn it off by the same thing. Here we have volume controls by just rolling the button up and down. Over here on the left we have dynamic select. Let's say you can control it by pressing up and down by putting the car in sport, individual, slippery mode, and sport plus. So this is how you control your modes, and as well I'm going to show you right now how it's going to look like on your dashboard. So here we have our controls of navigation. Everything is going to come out on your screen like this. Then radio, media, telephone, and your car settings. And here we have emergency lights. So here we have our navigation, radio, media, telephone, and your car assistant. And here we have our temperature controls. On the left you control the temperature, here you control where the air is going, then the air strength. If you want to just set it on auto, just press on auto. Then here we have air going to your windshield. Let's say if it's too humid and you need to clean the windshield from all the air or from all the sweaty windshield, you just press on this. Also as well, you have a menu button here. If you want to have it synced, like from the right side to the driver's side, you just press on sync and the temperature is going to be all controlled by the left side. So the button to open up the roof from inside is over here. It's in the middle compartment. Whenever you open it, make sure you apply on the brake and then lift it up and keep holding it until the roof completely opens. There we go. And for you guys to then close it back, make sure you apply on the brake and then push the button down and then it's going to close. Now moving on forward. So here we have our steering wheel controls. On the right side, you can control your volume by rolling this up and down. Let's say if you have incoming call, you lift it up, and if you want to hang up the phone, you just press it down. Then as well, you can control your dashboard with this touch sensor screen, and you want to press home, you can also do that. Then press backwards, you can do that as well. On the left side, we have your cruise control, and as well we have home mode and the way you want to change your trip. I'm going to show you on the dashboard AMG performance, your navigation, radio, media, your drive assist, and as well you have designs, which you can switch to super sport. And then you can also push back and you can go back to the designs, and you can put it in classic as well. So here we have our seat adjusters. Over here we have seat ventilation, seat heating, as well as we have side mirror controls. You just choose one of the two and then you control it with this circle over here. If you want to close the mirrors, if you're at the car wash, for example, you just press on this button and it's going to close. The 4 windows, you just lift it up and down and the windows are going to go up and down, and lock and unlock. So here we have our lights. Right now it's on auto. We can always switch it to just have your interior lights and the Mercedes lights up front. But if you want to have a full light on, you switch it to the right. Here we have anti-fog lights. You just press it and it's going to go on. So if you guys want to open up the trunk from the inside, you just lift this button up and the trunk is going to open. So for you guys to put the car in drive, make sure you apply on the brake and then pull this handle all the way down, and it's going to show that you're in drive on the dashboard. Whenever you want to put it in reverse, lift it all the way up. If you want to put it in neutral, just lift it slightly up and it's going to click into the neutral. And if you want to put it in park, just simply press this button.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you, and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!